Today, I will be unboxing my Lenovo Ideapad P400. This is the information about safety. This is the information about warranty with Lenovo. This is a power cord with the adapter. This is the extension with the power cord. Here comes the 14-inch Lenovo laptop. Now I will rip the security seal and open it up. This is the front. These are the sides. And this is the back of the laptop. This is a Lenovo 14-inch Ideapad. It comes with 3rd generation i7-3632QM quad-core processor, which is a 2.2 GHz. It comes with 8 GB RAM, which is good for multitasking, 1 TB of memory, which is lots of space. I'll turn the laptop on. This laptop comes with 14-inch LED-Backlit high definition with 16 times 900 resolution. It also comes with 10-point multitouch display, which is easy for navigation. It also comes with a high definition 720p built-in webcam. It also comes with a HD webcam, premier speakers, which give better sound, a clear typing keyboard, which is easy to type with, and it comes with 1-key rescue system, which is good when your laptop crashes. It's also an Energy Star laptop, and it comes with an Intel Core i7. It also comes with backlights for the keyboard, which makes it easy to type at night. This is a touchscreen laptop. On this side, this is a outlet for connecting your headset. It comes with 2 USB 2.0 ports and the DVD drive. On this side, you have the power outlet, the Ethernet port, the HDMI port, a USB 3.0 port, which is faster for transferring data, and the memory card reader. On the back, you can see there's no point for the battery, so that means the battery is built in, so you cannot take it out. It has a built-in battery, which is a 2200 mAh 4-cell Lithium-Ion, which lasts up to 5 hours as is advertised. This laptop comes with Windows 8 64-bit operating system. It comes with a built-in Bluetooth 4.0 interface, which is easy to connect with other devices that are Bluetooth enabled. It also comes with high-speed wireless built-in wireless internet. Thanks for watching my unboxing of my laptop.